Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. I'm back with another set of tags. Um, I sat down at my desk and I created a couple more tags and I'm really happy about that. So I'm here today to share. So what I used to create my tags, I used this die. I think it's from AliExpress because I don't have any packaging for it. So this die, I believe I was searching for um, what was it called? It was this old Stampin' Up set, and I saw this tag that I loved, and I wanted to recreate that tag. I could not find the die. So I found this one instead, and I haven't, well, I think I've used it once before, but I'm using it again. I used some old alphabet stickers from Joann's, I believe, and then these stickers from Hobby Lobby. Sorry for the glare and the crinkling. I know my last video, I think more 2 videos, my little itty bitty haul, there was a lot of crinkling, and I'm like, oh, that's terrible. So sorry. Usually I'm very mindful of that. Okay, so let me show you my tags. So I just made 2 of the exact same layout. I turned the tag this way, layered up the pattern paper, and I backed it with packaging so it's a little bit sturdier. I also layered packaging and paper with this layer, and then this little bitty tag is the same thing. I used the paper and packaging. I glued down my little reindeer, my little Rudy, and then I'm still debating if I should put some bling on the Christmas tree. I might do that with some stickles or something. Yeah, I think I will do that. And that is my tag. This is the littlest tag from that set, and this is a charm from Hobby Lobby. And then I just used some baker's twine and a bubble or a bulb pin to attach my tag. And that's my little tag. I don't know if I'm going to put a piece of white paper in the back if I do give this out. We'll see. I might just keep it. So this one is the same thing, just a different Christmas tree. But isn't he just adorable? I just love this layout. I just really do. I don't, and it is really sturdy. I mean, this thing is not going anywhere. So that is my 3rd set of tags this year. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Thanks for commenting and all those sweet comments, and I do appreciate them. It encourages me to make more videos because I haven't been making that many lately. So have a great week, and hopefully maybe I'll see you tomorrow with another set of tags. Thanks everyone. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.